Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades above $34,000. We had a very great October. Right now, we're hoping to have a very great November. Bitcoin dominance sits at 53%. Where will Bitcoin head to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Can we get to as high as $45,000 before the end of November? We're going to take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin historical returns. What should we expect in November? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin rise by 27%. The last 1 year, Bitcoin is up 68.2%. 2023 has been a very great year for Bitcoin. But guys, 2023 has been a year of the bulls and the bears fighting where we're heading to. We have seen the bulls start the year on a very bright note. We started 2023 with Bitcoin trading around $16,000. We saw Bitcoin rally from $16,000. Bitcoin got to as high as $32,000. But that was back in April. We had to go sideways for 180 days. But finally, in the month of October, Bitcoin breakthrough. Finally, in the month of October, we saw Bitcoin rallying to new yearly highs, even getting to as high as $35,000. Before we got to October, there was a lot of hype about October. October has always been a great month historically. If you take a look at Bitcoin monthly return, October, the last 10 Octobers, we have had very, very good returns. Last October, 2023 October, we saw Bitcoin go up 28%. In 2022, it was a 5.5% increase. 2021, 39%. 2020, 27%. 2019, 10%. In 2019, we had an 18% decline. In 2014, we had a 12% decline. If not, October has always been an up-only month. So what should we expect in November, guys? Based on historical returns, November is a 50-50 month. November was very, very bullish, but over the last 5 years, we have only had one great November, and that was in 2021. In 2022, we saw Bitcoin dumping by 16% in November. In 2021, it had a 7% dump. In 2020, it had a 17% dump. And way back in 2019, it had a 17% dump. And in 2018, it had a 36% dump. So November is always a 50-50 month. But guys, sentiment in the market is improving. We saw neutral sentiment in the market last month. But right now, greed is in the cryptocurrency market. Last week, there was greed. Yesterday, there was greed. Today, there's also greed. I would expect to see greed still in the cryptocurrency market in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We're in Bitcoin season means over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has been outperforming 75% of the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. But I don't expect this to continue way into the future. If we go on a monthly time frame, we are still in Bitcoin month, which is good to see also. But guys, if we're in Bitcoin month, it means Bitcoin has been outperforming the altcoins in the market for over 30 days and over 90 days. But if you take a closer look at what Bitcoin has been doing, the altcoin market is actually catching up. And if we see 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the next 90 days, we'll officially be in alt season. So where do we see Bitcoin going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? If we rally above that $35,000 level where we're taking a temporary chill pill, how high do we expect Bitcoin to go before the end of the year? Guys, best case scenario, I say Bitcoin getting to as high as $50,000. Now that $50,000 level is my most bullish prediction. I don't see Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs in 2023. We've started 2023 on a very bright note. Hopefully we'll end 2023 on a very bright note. But according to our formulate retracement level, we are getting to key levels where Bitcoin usually face resistance. And right now, the number one level you should pay attention to will be $36,200. Bitcoin is very, very close to $6,000. We can get there in the first few days of November in 2023. And if we continue rallying to higher prices, best case scenario before the end of November, we'll blast above that $42,000. And if the market is still bullish, if the market still wants more, best case scenario before the end of the year, I don't see Bitcoin getting to $50,000 and change, but $49,000 is where I'm sure a lot of traders will be taking some profits off the table. Now, what impact will that have on Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance has also been looking very, very bullish since the start of 2023. Bitcoin dominance bullishness started in September of 2022. We saw Bitcoin dominance rally up by more than 38% in 420 days. But guys, Bitcoin dominance cannot continue going to the moon. At some point in time, it's going to hit the top. At some point in time, we're going to start dumping to goblin town. I'll not be shocked if that time is around the corner. We saw Bitcoin dominance rallying to the moon in October, getting to as high as 54%. Right now, it's at the 53% region. If we see the altcoin market catching up to Bitcoin, if we see us leaving Bitcoin season, remember guys, November is a 50-50 chance for Bitcoin. We had October where everything usually looks bullish, but we have November where we have a 50-50% chance of ending the month in green or ending the month in red. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, where do you see November ending for the cryptocurrency market? Currently trading around $34,400. Bitcoin has a 24-hour trading volume of over $15 billion. Circulating supply sitting at 19.5 million coins, maximum supply of 21 million coins, and the fully diluted market cap sitting at $722 billion. Bitcoin all-time high happened on the 10th of November 2021. Bitcoin all-time high sits at $68,789, and we're down 49.97% from that all-time high. Bitcoin all-time low sits on the 5th of June. Bitcoin all-time low sits on the 5th of July 2013. That was 10 years ago. Bitcoin was trading for $65. Bitcoin is up over 52,000% from that all-time low. Where can you get some Bitcoin? If you want to get some, where can you accumulate some Bitcoin? You can buy it on your favorite crypto exchange. You can buy it on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If we see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, and we see Bitcoin rallying above $36,000, getting to as high as $42,000, guys, that might be the end of the rally for Bitcoin in 2023. What are we going to do in 2024? We'll have to find out. But to end 2023 on a very bright note, if Bitcoin rallied to as high as $42,000, maybe even getting to as high as $49,000, Bitcoin would have rallied up around 100%. Guys, do you think Bitcoin will go that far to the end of the year? Do you see the altcoin market catching up to Bitcoin? Right now, Bitcoin is having a great week, a great month, and a great year. Remember, guys, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy extreme fear, you want to sell extreme greed. As we return to extreme greed, remember to sell and take some profits along the way. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
One, two.